You're about to see the intense body cam footage just released by Huntsville police, capturing the arrest of two dangerous fugitives who escaped from a New Orleans jail. These men, Tate and Jermaine Donald, had been on the run since May 16th after breaking out with 8 others from the New Orleans Justice Center. Armed, dangerous, and facing serious charges including murder and attempted murder, their capture in Texas brought a high-stakes manhunt to a dramatic end. Now, let's take a closer look at the moment it all came to a close.
Yeah, sorry, dispatch, they are south on 75. South on 75.
Clear south on 75.
It looks like they're about to did a U-turn. Going back southbound 19.
Clear back southbound on 19.
Sorry, southbound from 2nd Avenue.
That's clear from St. Vincent Avenue.
They're going the wrong way on 19. Wrong way on 19.
Hey! Everybody move to the right side of the car!
Open the door, dude. I'm not opening, you kidding me? Get out!
Go with them!
I got hands if everybody can hold it.
Jumbo, good hands? Shut up. Unlock the door with your right hand! Crawl to, no, Jumbo, back up. Crawl to him!
Put it in the car. In the car. All the way out.
Crawl!
Thanks for watching. If you want more real law enforcement footage and updates on breaking cases, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Stay sharp. See you in the next one.